Hey guys, today we're back with another haul. So these are mostly orders from our clients, from Teddy Lux. So we could start from the one that's on the back. It's a Ray-Ban that's customized in like watercolor, no, watermelon sort of. It's red and does go green, but doesn't go now. With silver frames with black case. On the back we have the Prada Bucket Hat in black nylon, and with the Prada theme, continuing with the Prada theme, we have here envelope wallets in the Saffiano with gold hardware. So we have 4 orders from a client. We move to this part. We have the Louis Vuitton, I think this is called Dragone. It has the wristlet part here, and it fits the phone, and there are some what's the name of that, credit card slots on the back. On the inside, actually, some pieces from Laduree, Paris. So we have some keychains here. Also the one on the back is some keychains and some treats, some sweets. Here we have some Moschino jacket. No, wait, these are sweaters. So you have gray, red, pink, and white. Some paper bags, shopping bags, and on the back of the Prada bucket hat, we have the cardigan from Burberry. So it's the check cardigan from Burberry. This is made in, I believe, wool. And then on the top part we have a pair of sandals, chunky sandals from Prada. This is in Napa leather, brown Napa leather. And the sole is I don't know what this is called. I think this is not rattan but similar. Beside it we have some heels from Gucci. It has some platform, and it has the Gucci marmot design. So this is in like blush pink. Beside it is the Loewe sandals in denim, and there's the leather part here. And beside that is the classic Loewe in fabric version. So those are the Loewe's. So here is the overview of the shoes, and on the bottom part we have some bags. So first we have a Gucci dome bag in micro Guccissima print. This is leather, and this is camellia, I think the color they call it, but it's sort of like beige color. It has a shoulder strap as well. And then on the back, this is the Loewe tote bag in full leather. Also the interior is leather, suede interior, and it's pretty heavy, just a bag itself. So this is adjustable. It has the same thing on the back. You could also adjust it, and it just have a very small logo here. And then here we have the hammock bag in a tricolor. We have 2 of them. So this is the small size with the brown handles, trimmings, white leather on the sides, so it has zipper, And this, technically this is the front side, so this is like blush pink. It's pretty similar to the Gucci heels, the color. So it has a shoulder strap inside that where you can attach this and wear it like as the mini Lindy style. So these are the bags, and that's pretty much it. It's just the overview of all the items that we were able to source. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, ciao.